right, happy Friday to everybody. As mentioned, I'm out of school today, so I hope you have a wonderful day. You are going to be working on a review for our upcoming quiz, which is on Monday. Before you begin anything else, please make sure that you did submit assignment number 10, as you can see on the screen. Assignment number 10 was a big ideas assignment. You need to submit your score and your work page. So remember, I wanted to see you showing your keep, change on that work page. If you do not submit both, you will get, if you don't submit your work page, you'll get a 5 out of 10 on that. So please make sure you do that. In a moment, our substitute will be handing out our quiz review, and you will be completing that. I'll show you in just a moment what I expect. Yesterday, we talked about submitting your IXL. If it wasn't done yesterday, make sure it gets done and then submit it. So if you finish it today during class, resubmit. All your IXL skills down here need to be to an 80 or better. And so with all the time that you have in class, you should be able to finish your assignment and make sure all your IXL is done, and hopefully then you will have no homework over the weekend except to potentially review for the test. If you've finished everything, then in a moment I will show you that there are some quizzes, reviews that you can do online, as well as there's another online activity. The quiz is on Monday, so once again, quiz is Monday. I'm going to do an optional review session Monday morning. Please arrive by 8:30. Try to be there a couple minutes earlier. I'll open the front doors. The front doors of the building do not open until 8:45. So you need to make sure you get here on time so I can open the door for you, and we will just review on dry erase boards and practice for the quiz. So when you go to Canvas today and you click on assignment number 11, that's what I'm having. There will be a video there, but obviously the video is not done because I'm talking about it. You'll notice that there is a key. I have not included it yet, but there will be a key there. Now, you have the choice of copying all the answers down, but then you may not be ready for the quiz. What I want you to do is finish your homework, check your answers, so that way, Monday morning, if you didn't understand a section, you know you can ask for help. So there's information about your quiz. Remember, get your IXL done as well. And then down here, you will notice I have 3 quizzes. 1 or 2 are practicing adding and subtracting, which is the vast majority of your quiz, and then 1 on absolute value. And then there is an online game that Mrs. Clark found that you can give a shot to try it. You click on it, and then you hit the play, either timed or untimed, and you are trying to select the addition problem with integers that is correct. And so you can give it a shot, and it's just kind of good practice as well. If you would like, you could also work on your IXL diagnostic. So in a moment, you guys are going to get this homework assignment. Yes, the numbering is a little bit goofy because it's a bunch of worksheets kind of clumped together. But make sure you are doing all the questions. Up here, you will need to make sure that you are showing your work. So remember, division. Remember, you have a notes packet. So this is basically your notes packet. Your quiz will be over pages 1 through 8. And that was obviously page 1 and 2 up on top. Then we had absolute value. Down here, I want you writing your rules. So basically, since you're copying that down, make sure you know your rules. And then over here, we're following our add, subtract rules. So this is what we're looking for when the signs are the same and versus when they're different. And so when they're the same, you're going to add. And when they're different, you're going to subtract. And down here, we are doing what we did yesterday and the day before, which is subtraction, which means you need to be remembering keep, change, or change those subtraction questions to add the opposite. So just as a quick reminder, even just looking at this one, you can either rewrite it. So if I have 3 minus 8, or you can do your negative ninja and kind of change the subtracting positive 8 is the same as adding negative 8. And now I would have a positive and I would have a negative. The winner is negative, so I'm following my addition rules, and I would have negative 5. Okay, and so that's the work I want to see. Remember, these are your rules. So if I have subtraction, I'm going to follow these steps. Keep, change. Now it's addition, so I go over here. Are the signs same or are the signs different? And then follow the directions. Check your answers through that canvas right up here. There will be, I will have the answers posted. Check your answers, then submit it, and then work on those IXL, or those, make sure your IXL is done, and then you may work on those reviews. And then enjoy your weekend. Please have excellent and outstanding behavior. Show your charge of pride to our substitute, and I will see you on Monday.